Hello, everyone. We are back. Welcome back, Jarmell.
Hey, y'all.
Now, we do have another confession to make.
I owe y'all an apology. Because y'all was telling us what y'all was doing for the holidays, and we just didn't see it. So, I apologize to you guys.
Yeah, unfortunately, for some reason, I can't see on this other account all the comments. But thank you all for sharing where you are going, what you're doing for the holidays. And I'll make comments a little bit later. But let me go ahead and get live back up over here. And we are getting ready to, hi Tanya. Tanya is my sister-in-law that lives in Texas.
Okay.
Hey, we are getting ready to decorate this wonderful lime cake.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm gonna give the honor to Jarmell. Is this your first time?
It is.
Putting icing on the cake?
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so, oh, and the other thing on our salad, on our Waldorf salad, although it tastes really wonderful, we did forget to add the walnuts. But just add walnuts in there, or if you want to add pecans, whatever you desire, go ahead and do that. So it was really good. It was really good. All right, so Jarmell, if you put some icing on top of the cake, you can be real generous with it. You can use the spoon.
Oh, okay. I don't know that. Okay, that's it.
Put a little bit more.
More?
Yeah, more.
Okay.
Okay. All right, so go ahead and sort of spread that around. Remember, you can use the turntable.
Okay.
So if you let the turntable do the work,
Oh, okay.
you won't have to spread as much.
Okay.
Yeah, he's a professional.
I have to make sure this is coated perfectly, you guys.
Hi Josiah. Hi Zandra. Hi Leslie. So we are icing the cake, and we're gonna give the cake a taste.
You don't want this.
Yeah, we don't want that one showing.
No.
He's doing a great job. He's doing a great job.
I hope so, Sharon. Y'all keep watching Sharon if I'm messing up today because it's not her fault.
No.
She's an excellent teacher, I promise. Okay. Now I can go around the side?
Okay, so but we'll come back to the top.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and put some icing on the sides.
Okay.
You can either use a spatula. Let me show you how to do it. So just put some on like this.
Uh-huh.
Then you're gonna go to the side, and we're just gonna go around like that. Okay?
Okay.
All right. The cake smells really good. So we went ahead and we put the glaze while the cake was still hot. Jarmell put the glaze on the hot cakes, and then we put them in the freezer so they can cool down a little bit faster. That way we can come back and show you all Jarmell's, I'm about to call him Jamal, Jarmell's decorating or icing skills.
And let me tell you, this is my first time. It looks kind of shady, but you know what I mean?
Hi, Liana McClellan Williams. Thank you. Wish you could taste. Okay, put a little bit more icing on the sides. Tanya, tell Michael hello. Hi, Cindy. Thank you, Cindy. Cindy said it looks good.
Thank you, Cindy.
Hi, Leslie. Just put some more icing on it. It's good. Remember to let the turntable do the work for you.
That's right.
Turn it from here, from down here.
Okay.
Okay. Hi, Marjorie. Is that Marjorie Kelly? Is that your auntie?
Yes. Hey, Marjorie.
She says hi, nephew.
I love her.
She said the cake looks good.
And it's going to taste fantastic, Auntie, I'm sure.
Okay, remember? Let it.
That's right.
Turn it. Use the turntable.
Okay.
Hi, Cindy.
More?
Let's see. We add a little bit more right there. More. Okay, so sort of spread the top of it off. Remember you should let the turntable do it for you? Hold on. Hold on. Okay.
Things getting kind of crazy. I'm gonna let her go and take it home.
See, just turn it like that.
Okay. We got a little bit more icing.
Okay.
You need it?
We'll put the rest of it on the sides.
Okay.
Okay. Let's do it this way. So we'll scrape the sides. See how easy it comes up?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So you did a great job. Let's give Jarmell a round of applause. Great job, Jarmell.
Thank you. My first time actually icing a cake with fresh icing and all that good stuff. So.
Okay. All right. So, for presentation purposes, we would so to get it. If you get a napkin, Jarmell.
Oh, I think I used
The paper towel right there. Oh, you used the last one?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So what we're going to do, we just use the spatula.
I want to see this beautiful.
All right. So for present, they give you a round of applause.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss Tanya. You all right.
All right. So we're going to take a picture of this cake.
Okay.
All right. Before we cut into it.
Okay.
All right. So hold on. Let me get.
I'll take one.
I want to take one with you holding the cake or by the cake.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now I'll take one on your phone, then I'll take one on my phone.
Okay.
All right. So if you want to stand right there. Smile. All right. I got yours. Let me get mine.
This was so much fun, you guys. I'm officially a baker. Book me. Because it was
right.
so much fun.
Okay, now we're getting ready to cut into this cake. Let me get logged back on over here. All right, so let me get a knife.
This is the best part.
We got our forks here. One for you and one for me if you hold the forks there.
Okay.
Give you a generous piece here.
I earned it.
It looks really yummy.
Mm-hmm.
That's yours.
Thank you.
Wait a minute.
No, I want them to see it.
Oh, okay. Minute. All right, so we're gonna do cheers. See what it tastes like.
My favorite time of the year.
Oh my gosh.
No, I'm not just saying this because I cooked it, but it tastes fantastic. Seriously.
He did an awesome job. This cake is delicious. OMG.
Very good.
I truly wish you all could taste it. I really do. I really do. Well, I eat one more piece.
So it's so good, you guys. Key lime cake.
Key lime cake. And our other dish was the Waldorf salad. See, Jarmell, he has his for tomorrow. He's going to take his salad with him tomorrow.
Yep.
That's the one with the added nuts in it. All right, well, thank you all so much for joining us on this evening. And again, thank you, Jarmell.
Thank you so much for having me. I appreciate it, Miss Sharon.
It was a lot of fun.
It was so much fun. I can't wait till next time.
Okay. All right, so don't forget to like and share, and don't forget to go out to Baking with Sharon and like my page so I can build up my audience there. And we really appreciate you all. We'll see you on next Sunday. Next Sunday, I have another special guest, and we will be making banana cake. And I'm still trying to decide on that second one. I'll think about it. I'll let you know for sure. I've already made the flyer, but I might change it to something else different. But for sure, we will be making banana cake. Oh, before I forget, I have listed my price list for the different cakes that I'm offering to make for the holidays. It is on my page, and if you scroll down, you'll see it in my account. And I will repost it, but your orders have to be placed by December 16th, and it has to be paid in full by December 16th to receive them, by December 23rd. So don't forget to place your order, and I'll look to see you all soon. God bless. Have a good night.
Good night. And you guys won't be disappointed. So good.